Bonjour à tous, hello everyone, and welcome to Apprenons Ensemble. In today's video, we'll talk about the 5 rules for good syllabication. First, let's talk about the syllabication, la syllabation. So, what is syllabication? Syllabication is nothing but the action of separating a word into syllables. Okay, so let's look at these English words. So children, so we have 2 syllables. Banana, 3 syllables. Welcome my friend, 4 syllables. But the English rules for syllabication are totally different compared to the French rules for syllabication. So let's see the French rules about syllabication. So, syllabication rules in French. Les règles de la syllabation. Rule number 1. One consonant between 2 vowels. So every time we have one consonant between 2 vowels in a word, then the consonant should be the start of the new syllable. So here we have some words. So samedi, avion, seulement. So let's see how to cut these words. So here we have M between A and E. So M will be the beginning of the next syllable. Then we have D between E and I. So D will be the beginning of the next syllable. So in this word, we have 3 syllables. So sa, me, di. Samedi. Okay. Next one, we have V between A and I. So V will be the beginning of the next syllable. So in this word, we have 3 syllables. A, V, on. Avion. Next one, we have L between U and E. So L will be the beginning of the next syllable. Then you have M between 2 E's. So M will be the beginning of the next syllable. So in this word, we have 3 syllables. Se, le, ment. Seulement. Rule number 2. 2 consonants between 2 vowels. So the first consonant will be the end of the first syllable, and the second consonant will be the beginning of the next syllable. So here we have some words. So pourquoi, obtenir, penser. So let's see how to cut these words. So here we have R and Q between 2 U's. So the R will be the ending of the first syllable and Q the beginning of the next syllable. So in this word, we have 2 syllables. Pourquoi. Pourquoi. Next one, we have B and T between O and E. So B will be the end of the first syllable and T the beginning of the next syllable. Then after we have N between E and I. So we say, according to rule number 1, N will be the beginning of the next syllable. So in this word, we have 3 syllables. Obtenir. Obtenir. Next one, you have N and S between 2 E's. So the N will be the end of the first syllable and the S the beginning of the next syllable. So in this word, we have 2 syllables. Penser. Penser. Rule number 3, 2 of the same consonant between 2 vowels. So when you have 2 of the same consonant between 2 vowels, so the first consonant will be the end of the first syllable and the second one the beginning of the next syllable. So here we have some words. So comme, emmener, effacer. Let's see how to cut these words. So we have 2 M. So the first one, end of the first syllable, and the second M, beginning of the next syllable. So in this word, we have 2 syllables. Comme, comme. So comme. Next one, we have 2 M's between 2 E's. So the first M will be the end of the first syllable, and the second one, the beginning of the next syllable. Then after that one, you have N between 2 E's. So according to the rule number 1, N will be the beginning of the next syllable. So in this word, we have 3 syllables. So emmener. Emmener. Next one, you have two F between E and A. So the first F, end of the first syllable, and the second F, beginning of the next syllable. Then you have C between A and E. So C will be the beginning of the next syllable. So in this word, you have 3 syllables. So effacer. Effacer. Rule number 4, a consonant followed by the letter R or L. So if a consonant is followed by the letter R or L, then do not separate them. You should not separate them at all. Okay, so here we have some words. So prendre, livre, blâmer. Let's see how to cut them. So here we have PR. So we'll take PR together. Okay, then after you have NDR. So I'm taking DR together. So in this word, we'll have 2 syllables. So prendre, prendre, prendre. In the next word, you have V and R. So we are going to take them together. Okay, so in this word, we have 2 syllables. Livre, livre, livre. Okay. Next word, you have B and L. We are going to take them together. Then after you have M between A and E. So M will be the beginning of the next syllable. So in this word, we have 2 syllables. Blâmer, blâmer, blâmer. Rule number 5, you should never read the letter H. So never pronounce the letter H. So at the beginning of a word, never pronounce the letter H. So the concept of aspire or mute H are important, but only when it comes in the concept of liaison or elision. But these concepts, we are going to talk about them in different topics. So here, please never pronounce H, okay? Neither aspire H or mute H at the beginning of a word. So here in this word, we have A, la, H, okay? And l'homme, okay? So, la, H. You see? I even remove the H. La, H. So, la H. L'homme, l'homme, l'homme. Okay? So, this is it for today's class. So, thank you for watching and see you soon for another video. Merci.